Hey viewers, Jake here with TurboGary. Been working in the shop a little bit lately. Been trying to fab myself up and sheet metal intake. Definitely not a simple process. Had a couple ups and downs along the way, trying to get everything square and centered. But it's starting to take shape. Recently purchased a TIG welder off a friend. Been definitely giving it a workout lately. I've already gone through a bottle of gas. Just trying to practice up for this. But hopefully another weekend or two, I'll have everything hopefully finished and ready for powder coat. Just got to put in my injector bungs down there in the bottom. Also cut the hole for the throttle body and thread tap for the bolts. The flanges on the bottom, you can buy them online pre-cut, which is nice. I think they're 3/8 or 1/2 inch thick. This engine's a Ford 4.6 4-valve. It's got the C heads. Of course, the intake looks fairly massive. Tried to match the intake volume to the engine cubic inch from what I've been finding out online. Been learning a lot along the way. Of course, this intake's not perfect, but I'm going to call it my prototype since it's my first one. Probably make another one down the road. But if everything works out right, shouldn't really have to buy another intake for the power levels I've been wanting to have. As you can see, has a removable top plate, which took me a little while to make and draw the hole centered. Doesn't look too bad in there. Got to weld the opposite side still. I would put velocity stacks in it, which would help the airflow a lot better than what I got here, but just for 8 of those to go to this pipe correctly is about $350, so it's fairly pricey. Gotta cut my corners here, smooth this out, make it look fairly nice. Throttle body's a 105 mil Wilson manifold. Definitely probably on the big side, but for the price I paid for it, couldn't pass it up. So if need be, I'll go down to a 90 mil or so. Bolts for the top are 3/8 12 point. Make it look fairly nice piece once the top's put on. Got some aluminum rod here, 1/4 inch. Had an issue with the weld, of course, pulling the intake apart from the center of the holes. So for what I'm going to do, bolt the intake in and then cut this to length, front and back, one front and rear, to hold together, so won't have that issue anymore. Oh, there's the injector bungs there. Then also I have these bungs that need to be put in wherever needed. Probably put one up here below, a couple in the back. Of course, one up here so I can run a line to my blow-off valve. Make that fairly simple. So yeah, TurboGarys in the works. Trying to save up some money and get some more parts. Hopefully be racing here soon. At least be able to get it fired up for the first time. Overall, it's going pretty good. No setbacks. Just trying to take my time, which with something like this, you definitely don't want to rush. But definitely like and subscribe if you want to see more of TurboGary. Hopefully be making some horsepower here soon.